Welcome to the CreateBase how-to video series. In this video, we'll introduce the functionalities of the Manage Users tab. If you have an educator or admin account and are registered to an organization, you can access the Manage Users tab. Here, you can find all the users who have joined your organization. Users are grouped by account type: learners, educators, or admins. As an educator or admin, you have some helpful ways to manage your learners' accounts. From the Learner tab, you can view the display name, username, and day that each account was last logged in. If a learner forgets their password, you can reset it by selecting one or more accounts, clicking the Change Password button, and entering a new password. You can also view the details of all the educators using the platform in your organization, which may be helpful if you ever need to ask a colleague for a hand. To find a specific account, use the search bar to search by display name, username, or email. Finally, you can sort users using any of the table headings. Last visited, for example, shows you an ordered list of the accounts that were most recently active or longest inactive. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, check out our FAQs or send us an email.